I'm on a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So with the hood open and the vehicle off, you'll find your dipstick down here, which you can pull all the way out, and then I would wipe it clean with a paper towel or rag, and then you'll stick it all the way back in. Once it's all the way in, pull it right back out again, and on the end where these notches are, you'll see like a little grid looking pattern there with the H and then an L on the other end. The H is the highest of the full line, so you want it typically towards the end of those grid marks. If it's towards the other end, towards the L of that like grid pattern, that means you're low. You need to add some oil. If that's the case, we'll stick this all the way back in. Alright, it's all the way pushed back in. This is the cap that will unscrew, and then you take your funnel or your quart jug and then fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. And double check the oil you're using is the right type, and ideally the same synthetic conventional brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But once you've added that, screw this back on nice and tight, and then I turn the motor on for 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn the vehicle back off, and then I would repeat that process we did in the beginning with this dipstick of pulling it out, wiping it clean, and then sticking it back in and pulling it out to see if we're towards that full level now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in lieu of regular oil changes. We typically do by putting the vehicle on a slight lift to get underneath of the oil pan. You'll unscrew the plug to drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug in nice and tight again, and then you'd come back up top here and add the recommended amount of oil for your particular engine model. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then again I'd turn the motor on 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the same process we did in the beginning with this dipstick to make sure we're towards the full line. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.